Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JJ's Cryptic Corner. How's everyone doing today? Happy Tuesday, guys. Bitcoin is doing exactly what we want it to do. It's gorgeous. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, 2025. What's going on? You guys ready to get into some charts? Alright. Smash the like button. We're chilling. We're ready. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Hey. Happy Tuesday, guys. How's everyone doing? How was your guys' Tuesday? Bitcoin is currently trading at 87,299.25. Let's go update our liquidation heat map. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the line that I drew on the chart yesterday, it's almost like Bitcoin is following that line. Almost exactly as it's drawn. That's so strange. That's so weird. That's so odd. Anyways, liquidation heat map. Let's zoom in, see what we got. Hooking up. Ooh, looks like we liquidated some bears. Some bulls. Who did we liquidate? We liquidated somebody. We got a big boy up here, 88,926. Chewy, what'd you do to the Discord? Down below, 89, 87,038. Cool. Let's get a couple more in there. A couple of thin boys. 88,535. I guess I should refrain from using the word boys. It sounds kind of weird. A couple of thin bears. Dixie Flatline said, let's go. What's going on, Dixie Flatline? Ooh, are you a channel member? Wow, that's actually wonderful. Hell yeah. Welcome to the channel. That picture's amazing. That's so sick. 87,103. All right. I'm feeling a little congested right there. Let me make this one. Oh, that is a thin one. Shit. How do I fix that? Let me do this. Sure. That should maybe try to help. I guess I just got to zoom out more. It's too much congested right there. Yep. We're looking good right now. All I see is a bull flag forming. So we'll see how it plays out. But it looks good, man. We came down. We retested like the mean of our range that we've been in. Which I don't know if you've noticed. We haven't done that yet. They tried to. They tried to right here. And then they tried to break above, failed. And then they tried to right here. Tried to break above, failed. ZC Production, $5 super chat. Sup, fam? What's going on, ZC Productions? Oh, shit. My YouTube thing just crashed. Whoopsie. Appreciate the $5 super chat. Absolute legends, guys. Check out Dong on Cardano if you want to make some real money. Not financial advice. But y'all faded my SNEK call that I made last year. And I'm just saying. Anyways, that midpoint, man. That midpoint is a big retest. So we came down and touched it. Looking like we're coming down again. I don't know if it's going to be a retouch. I don't know if this is just going to set up a symmetrical triangle. I have no idea. It's looking good, though, right now. It's looking real good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. We'll see what occurs throughout the remainder of the next 24 hours. Should be exciting. We got the daily close contest coming up in 24 minutes. So stay tuned. Smash the like button. And let's move through our charts. We got Ethereum currently trading at $2,063. It's holding above 2K, which is great. That's exactly what we want to see. I would love to see ETH get back above the blue trend line. Where does that blue trend line go? Actually, let's see if the blue trend line is even relevant. Oh. Maybe it isn't. What was that originally for? I had that there for some reason. I guess the blue trend line is irrelevant, so forget I said anything about it. Let's zoom back in on the 4 hour. Fahid said, when Jelly Moon? Ooh, Tyler said, Ando setting up nice. Dude, I was so stoked when I was watching the charts the other day. Ando and Render were killing it today. Render got right back above $4, which is exactly what I said was going to do. And Ondo is perfectly following my trend line. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, guys. You cannot make this stuff up. Mr. Roberts said, hey, good people. Hello, JJ. What's going on, Mr. Roberts? Mr. Roberts is one of 2 fellow Canadians in the chat. Potentially 3, I don't remember. Welcome back, Mr. Roberts. Tyler said, JJ, you using my prize today? You know I am. Guys, we got a special prize for the Daily Close contest today, provided once again by Mr. Tyler. If you would like to submit your phalanx-shaped food item, feel free to DM me in Discord or on X. Please do not send me actual pictures of your wiener, as they will not be included in the Daily Close contest prize. And I'll probably block you. Sol is up 2.06%. Another one killing it, broke above 135 and has been pumping ever since. It looks like we got some resistance here, which we had kind of staked out from this neckline breakout, actually, which is from this range that we're in. This range that we're in is beautiful, lovely, I would call it security. We got resistance up here, support down here. This was the big range that we were watching for quite some time. We broke out of it, hit a new all-time high, came back down into it, hit that bottom line again. Hopefully it's using that as a springboard to just explode the upside. I would love to see these ridiculous SOL valuations actually play out. Drew said, hey gang, what's going on, Drew? Tyler said, Ondo is my second biggest bag. Hell yeah. Drew also said, no actual pictures, go to Hoffs. That is correct, guys. If you guys want to send unsolicited dick pics, Hoffs is your guy. If you need his mailing address, let me know. I'm just kidding. For real, though. Dick pics, go to Hoffs. Chewy said, I'm making a flank steak, royal reds, drawn butter, and ramen. Nobody knows what that is, Chewy. We are poor. Ramen, I know what ramen is. Tom Selleck's Goat said, Bitcoin, ETH, Link, Ondo. Hell yeah. Mr. Robert said, hell yeah, Chewy. I don't know why I said that with an accent. And Drew said, Link, OG. But yeah, Sol looking good. Looking for some potential upside here. Total 3 also. Oh, I don't want to move that. Total 3 also looking good. Recoupling or coupling in general. I thought it was coupled. Did I move this? Maybe I moved it. What happened? Something. Oh, okay. That's probably what happened. My internet's being finicky, man. What's going on? I don't even know if it's my internet. It's my computer. So something happened. This is moved for some reason, but I'm going to scoot it. I don't even know if it's moved. Is it moved or stretched? I think it's stretched out. This never happens to me. Let's shrink her back down. Right about there, I think. That looks about right. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, and then maybe I pulled this back a little too far. Right there. Okay, so that looks good. Recoupled. I would love to be wrong about this downside and have it just blast to the upside. And even the time frame, I would like to be wrong about that as well. Just have it, like I said, just blast to the upside. That'd be sick. Volume has shrunk significantly, which is an interesting observation. Not quite sure what to make of that. I would love to see us get back above 1 trillion pretty quick here. I think it can happen very fast. It's happened very fast in the past. So, honestly, just kind of a wait and see kind of scenario. It is in a general uptrend, which is great. That's exactly what we want to see. ADA is up 1.5% today. Currently trading at 74 cents. Looking good. Held the yellow trend line, which has been a support line since February 28th, which is great. We got a little bit of confluence off of this line. Broke below it for a minute. Held 70 cents. Nice psychological zone. And now we're trading up. I want to see it break 82. And then eventually this yellow trend line, which is sloppy. I'll go right there. I like that. That looks much better. A little more confluence there. Chewy said, manipulate the fractals. Let's go. Something happened to that one. It looked better yesterday. Mr. Robert said, Chewy, I had a little clarified butter treat with some surf and turf for my birthday just a bit ago. So good. You guys are out here drinking Saratoga water and shit for your birthday? What the hell? Tyler said BlackRock upped their digital asset holdings amount. Nice. Chewy said, my birthday is this week too, boss. Cheers. Happy birthday, Chewy, guys. Everybody say happy birthday to Chewy. He's like 85 years old. Cheers. He's been working on his house for the past 75 years. So props to him. That's what I call conviction. Very cool. Happy birthday, Chewy. You're getting up there. Thank you for adding me to the will, by the way. ADA, 74 cents, chilling. SNEK up 6.64%. Very nice. If you didn't accumulate here, then you're not making any gains. Just saying. Nice support at 30 cents. It's up more than 10% since then. So we got the purple trend line. 3 hits to the downside. That signals a pretty tremendous uptrend possibility in the near future. Not financial advice, though. I'm keeping my eye on it. I'm super stoked, super excited. Accumulating a irresponsibly large quantity of SNEK because I'm irresponsible and large. XRP is down 0.2%. Breaking below the yellow trend line, probably a little fake out. We'll see what happens to it, though. They got some news today. I believe Ripple and what's it called? Ripple and the SEC both agreed to drop their appeals to their case. So as far as I'm aware, unless there's any surprise stuff tucked away, which would not really surprise me, I suppose, the entire XRP versus the SEC case is gone. No longer exists. It is void, which is incredibly bullish, but they're not pumping. And I think that that's because of all the crazy rumors of everyone using XRP for everything, and the price was going to go to 10K per XRP. That's not happening. What's even crazier, I don't want to say funnier because I kind of feel bad. What's even crazier is World Liberty Finance. That's what it is. World Liberty Finance has issued their own stablecoin, completely unaffiliated with Ripple and XRP. And I think that that was their whole claim to fame, was that the government was going to use them as a kind of stablecoin scenario. And they have their own stablecoin, RLUSD, but World Liberty Finance issued their own stablecoin, so RLUSD or whatever it's called is kind of useless now to the government. I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. It's all fully speculation, so it is what it is. HBAR is up 0.6%. HBAR has been killing it today. Looking good. Still holding this yellow trend line. Had a little bit of a like a flat line accumulation zone here. Popping off after that. Looking good. RSI potentially overbought pretty soon here. We're getting a little cross on whatever the hell that yellow line is. Nobody really cares. SWE is up 1.95%. Looking good. I want to see SWE break above $2.50. Potential upside here. Potential inverse head and shoulders. It's fugly. Yeah, I'm not really buying it. It's fugly. But it's there. It exists. Just 250. If we break above 250, I'll be more bullish. Tyler said Ripple is going to go back after SEC. That'd be so sick. Drew said, I just shilled Chainlink to an old man. Tyler said, good job, Drew. And he spammed some bananas. Drew said $10 XRP is unlikely. Tom Sellerscoat said, I thought XRP for bank transactions. I don't know what they know. They don't know what they know. Everybody's making stuff up at this point. Tyler said $10 is definitely likely, and I'm not a maxi. I don't know if it's like $10. Let's do the math really quick. Because I find it funny that XRP flipped Sol. So let's do some fun math and say XRP flips ETH. It would be $4.29 right now. $10, I wouldn't say is unlikely. I would just say it's very far-fetched. Not financial advice. So let's go all-time high. It would be $9.84 at ETH's all-time high. I'm just saying. Chewy said, to all the XRP maxis, your own founder said they didn't need token to run Ripple. They don't. It's literally... Tyler said, JJ math, here we effing go, boys. You guys just bait me into doing math every day. It's pretty funny. Anyways, Ondo is up 3.57%. Absolutely killing it. Ondo broke above 90 cents. Got some resistance at 94, 95. It looks like 94. Looking good. Laddering up slowly but surely. We'll probably get some resistance potentially at $1, maybe even at $1.09. I would love to see it just break right through and then come back down and retest maybe 90, because this will be really psychological. If it breaks above $1 and then it fails to hold $1, everyone's going to freak out and short. You get a bunch of dummy bears trapped right here, and then you go crazy, and then they get all liquidated, and you made a bunch of money. I'm just saying. Market maker likes to F people over, and that's the best way to do it. Aerodrome's still stuck in this forever range between 50 and 55 cents. I would love to see it break above that. It actually looks like 55 is the resistance right here. So it came back up here, rejected, retesting the center point. Hopefully I can use that as a springboard to break above 55. Until then, we're just kind of watching and waiting. Render killing it today. I said yesterday I would love to see Render break above. It broke above. I don't remember if it broke above 350 by the time we were streaming yesterday. But I said I really want to see Render break above 4, get back into this range, and it's exactly what it did. If you took that trade, you made a decent amount of money. I think it had started trending up because I recall seeing this for some reason. I guess I can just look at the time. Yeah, it had to have. So this was it was right here when we were streaming. So, looking good. Or no, maybe it was right here. A little rejection. That had to have been it. That's what it was. Yesterday it was right here. So we got our little rejection, I don't know, if you zoom in on lower time frame, it probably is a bull flag. And it broke back above $4 and is currently holding, which is great. Polkadot is up 0.35%. Polkadot broke above 459 and is now retesting. Kind of the same situation as Bitcoin and Render that we just looked at. Was it Render? Maybe it wasn't Render. It might have been Arrow. I don't know. But they got the median point on their ascending range. And they're retesting that right now to use potentially as a springboard to the upside, which is probably also just a bull flag. But a lot of patterns converging for potential bullish price action, which is exactly what we want to see. Chewy said, yep, I read that. Tyler said he cheated. Crow partnered with Trump, LMAO, and it doesn't do anything for the price. Oops. Yeah. Wow. Woohoo! I mean, 26% is pretty sick, but the fact that it's kind of been a poop show. Yeah, this is a stable coin. That's a stable coin. I'm just saying. I'm not a fan. I think their UI, UX is garbage. They need to hire a designer to fix their platform. I like the volume, though. The volume is great. Caspa. Caspa still broke above the upper trend line resistance. It retested it and held it as support, and is now looks like it's retesting horizontal support, which was support turned resistance back here, resistance again, support, support. If it holds, could continue to the upside. It's looking very choppy sideways right now. The RSI is resetting though, so it might literally just chop sideways until the RSI resets. Avalanche is up 6.52%. Avalanche is another one that's beautifully following our trend line. We've been waiting for these breakouts, guys. We have been waiting. It finally broke above the upper trend line, which I'm sure you can adjust to make it look better. It's sloppy. It is what it is. Finally broke above the upper trend line and is continuing to the upside. It broke above 20 with conviction. Look at that big fat green candle. It's exactly what we were looking for. Got some resistance at 24-ish. Having some trouble getting that high. But it is overbought on the RSI. So might have to take a little breather here. I do like to see the FOMO kind of kick in even without the volume. It's nice to see people loading up quietly on Avalanche down here. Because these are good prices. They really are. SHRAP is up 7.97%. This is one of those anomalies. I did specifically mention that this is a neckline, and I bet you we're going to see it pull back, and the lowest it could go in order for us to still trust it as a inverse head and shoulder potential is 6. It didn't go that low, but it starts to rebound. If it breaks above 810, then we're looking for some potential upside, especially if it breaks above 930. 930, 940. Then it's go time. We'll look for a break above, retest, and continuation. That would be sick to see. Not financial advice, though. Just keep an eye on it. Something to keep in the back of your head. Consideration. The 810 line is a little more, I'm putting a little more trust into that. I don't like to go off of wicks, but I'm a 4-hour trader. If you go on a different time frame, it's probably completely different. TikTok Tube said, Bamoklat, who dat? I don't know what that is. But yeah, SHRAP looking like a potential upside swing with the inverse head and shoulder, but we don't see these play out a lot, so it's just something to keep an eye on. Chainlink. Chainlink looking good as well. Currently chilling at 1541. I want to see Chainlink actually broke above the pink line. That's beautiful. The pink line is what I was really looking for. My next big target is going to be probably psychological. I would go 1750 and then 20. That's what I'm looking for. $17.5 and then 20. If it can break above 17.5 and get a retest of that and continuation of the upside, it's probably going to make 20 at least. John Appleseed said, "What's up, JJ? What's going on, John Appleseed? Smash the like button on your way in. Appreciate you guys. We did gain a couple subs overnight, which is pretty sick. We are trying to shoot for 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is towards the middle of April. So if you guys could spread the word, I would thoroughly appreciate that. Your network is your net worth, and we're all one big happy family. Join the Discord as well. It's a lot of fun in there. It's not my Discord. It's the Discord where I come from. I don't plan on ever making my own Discord. I thoroughly enjoy the people in that Discord, so deal with it. Chainlink. Chainlink looks good. It looks really good. I'm excited for Chainlink. Not financial advice, though. Accumulating this down here was kind of a no-brainer, especially once it got a little uncertain. It didn't know if it wanted to go up or down. That's just me, though. Doge. Doge is up 420%. Nice. Very cool. That's exactly what we look for. Broke above this previous support line, broke below, back above, below, back above, and it retested it, and it's now continuing to the upside, which is good. Psychological levels to look for, probably 20. Actually, 19 looks good. Decent amount of confluence back here for 19, which is exactly where it's at right now, but I'm going to go 20. Oops. 20 is going to be a big one. It looks like, yeah, there's maybe equal amount of confluence here for 20. So 20 is going to be a big one. Maybe it rejects and gets a little more support liquidity down here. It makes a run for 21.56, 21.65. I'm sorry. So the big one is going to be this 23, 24, 25 level. Once we can get above that, then it's kind of go time for Doge. I like that they reestablished a lot of, because this thing shot straight up. It shot straight up. They needed, I've used the scaffolding analogy before. They needed to go back down and fix that and build more scaffolding. So now they have more support, more liquidity, more price action historically to establish a foundation and continue to the upside. Fast move is a false move. Polygon Matic Pole is up 4.1%. This thing was ranging in between 20 and 21 for forever. Actually, 20 and 22, technically. It's pretty much 22 right here. Yeah, between 21 or between 20 and 22 for the longest time. So it's nice to see it break above 22 finally. It does look like it's having a little bit of trouble at 23. Is that 23? Yeah. So I would love to see this thing break above 238 and then make a run for 2.6 essentially. A break above the orange trend line would be a big deal. We have not been above that trend line since February 2nd. So that's going to be a big one. Struggled in the past 2 different times, technically 3, to get back above that line. So that's going to be a big sign of bullish price action. But I don't know if I guess I'm a little overly bearish on Polygon Matic Pole because they've changed their name a million times. And that's kind of a tactic that you use, let's say, as a criminal to evade the police. Which is why when they like show someone's mugshot or whatever, they list all of their aliases under their name. Polygon Matic Pole, you can't even read all the price action because they changed their name so many times, so the chart changes. Half the time it's easier for them to just change the damn chart. Look at all the volume right here. That's crazy. And for whatever reason, a lot of the charts had identical. See, all my fractals are messed up. What's going on here? Identical fractals all back here. And it was really strange. It was very odd. Yeah, something happened with TradingView. They jacked up on my fractals, bro. NEAR's up 3.5%. Break above the orange trend line. Looking good. NEAR is currently trading at $3.02. Beautiful patterns on NEAR. So this is previous support turned resistance on NEAR. Back when it was pretty bullish, actually. So I would not be surprised to see this shoot up here pretty quick. NEAR's got no problem establishing volume and getting that price action. So I would not be surprised to see this move fast once it does start moving. It is sitting above $3 right now, though, which is great. That's what we want to see. Chili's is up 1.09%. I want to see Chili's break above this orange trend line and then eventually above 5 cents. That's going to be a big psychological level. The orange trend line that we're at right now, it has not been above with conviction, since January, potentially even mid-January. End of January, though, right now. So keep an eye on that. If it breaks above that orange trend line, then it's probably go time, potentially. We want to see it do it with conviction, though. Like, don't buy as soon as it breaks above this. You want to see it actually, like, stay above it and do more. Not financial advice, though. Do what you guys got to do. Silver got a little bit pumpy today. MicroStrategy got a lot of bit pumpy today, looking good. DXY got a little bit choppy today. NASDAQ got a little bit pumpy today. And S&P got a little bit pumpy today, looking good. We do have a fractal right here that kind of counts for a little bit of a sideways and then a little bit of a dip. And then maybe a little bit of a rip. Is that what that is? Yeah, a little bit of a continuation. I will say, if we get to new all-time highs in the S&P by May, that's going to be pretty exciting. Not financial advice, so we'll see what happens, man. I liked the Lutnick quote where he specifically said by Q4 of this year, the economy will be humming. I really like that because he was confident. And he doesn't seem like a bullshitter. And maybe I'm just a bad read of character, but that would be a first for me. Bitcoin dominance chilling at 61.48. That M looks like it's turning into a W, which sucks. But we do still have our resistance at 62% that it has yet to break above, which would be great. If we got a triple top and this thing just started dying, that would be amazing. It does look like it's struggling to get above the orange trend line, which is a legacy trend line, it looks like, from God knows when. Really, really long time ago, I guess. I'll just trust it. We got less than 1 minute till the daily close contest. Tom Selleck's coat said sell in May, go away. I have no idea. No idea. There's people talking about 2026 being the actual bull market year, and that would not surprise me. Extending market, diminishing returns, kind of lines up with that concept. Lines up. There's too much stuff pointing at that, but maybe that's a concept that they try to sell you on so that they can front run your sell. Let me get down to the 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna leave this blue here. I don't care if it's in the way. 25 seconds remaining until you guys can begin to guess. I am like whoosh, in the zone right now, man. I don't know what's going on. I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. Tyler said it's time, JJ. It is time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your guesses in for the daily close, ladies and gentlemen. You got exactly 5 minutes to do it. I'm going to sip my chai latte. Delicious. I put way too much honey in there. Maybe that's why I'm freaking out right now. I'm all sugared up. Dude, I got this 6 shirt. I've been wearing it quite often. It's like super comfy. It looks like a shirt I would never wear. If I saw that in the store, I'd be like, man, that's such a gay shirt. I'm not going to buy that. But it had this giant, like, file of tags. And I was like, I can rip this off. And I started to rip it off. I got like halfway and it was ripping off clean. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to go for it. I just yanked it and I just ripped a giant hole in this shirt. I was like, damn it. So we had to sew it. It was kind of funny though. It was literally the one time where I didn't, because normally I'm very meticulous about taking tags off. I got like an X-Acto blade that I use. And this was the first time in my entire life where I was like, I'm just going to go for it, man. And I just went for it. And I just ripped a gigantic hole in the damn thing. It was pretty funny. We got Jay Shear and Tom Selleck's GOAT putting in their guess. Bitcoin's currently trading at 87,446 and 74 cents. We got 3 minutes, 28 seconds remaining. We got a guess from Tyler. Okay. If you guys see that your guess is not coming through, try putting letters or numbers, or not numbers, I'm sorry. Just try putting letters or words in your message as well. Sometimes YouTube filters it out for some reason. We got 13 people watching. Do we have 13 likes? Did you guys smash the like button. That is the ultimate question. We also got 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining on the clock. We got 12 likes. Hell yeah, you guys killed it. Thoroughly appreciate you guys. Absolute legends, every single one of you. Tyler said, try putting numbers in your numbers. Exactly. I'll be able to figure it out. Everyone just types in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And I gotta like... It's like scrambled. Hoff's putting in a guess. I thought he retired. Interesting. He's coming back to claim his throne. Currently sitting at 87, 465 and 40 cents. Is Fahid gonna make it? I could just imagine him like running. And we're on a ferry. And they're like leaving, but the ramp is still down a little bit. He's running. And there's like dramatic music playing. There's a volcano erupting in the background. It's actually just Jurassic World. That scene's so sad, dude. I wanted to cry, but they didn't really make me give a crap about the dinosaurs prior to their death. So I was like, I want it to be sad, but it's just like a dinosaur. Tyler said, JJ, at work, so don't hate me. I just need to see you give the prize, LOL, then gotta go. What? 7:53 p.m. We got 1 minute, 14 seconds remaining on the clock. Currently have 4 guesses. 12 people watching. 1/3 of those people are guessing. That's actually pretty good. 33%. But it doesn't cost anyone anything to participate, and you could win money. So why not? Why not participate? Also, like the stream and share the channel with your friends and family. Let's see. Is this the candle? Yep. This is the final minute to get your guess in. 43 seconds left on the clock. I had to return to work yesterday. Like, properly. Sucks. I hate it. Not that bad. Look at that big spike up. Oh, Tyler coming in 87.5. Did he change his? Okay, I'll take it. 87.5 even. Oh, John Appleseed coming in at the last second. And Black Hat. Ooh, okay. Couple of last second entries. There it is. Time's up. All right, I got you, Tyler. 87.5. Oh, shit. 87.5. All right, we got Black Hat coming in 87.470. Oops. Gosh, I'm pressing all kinds of buttons I'm not supposed to press. And John Appleseed coming in 87.529. Nice. Get these bad boys in order. 87.370 even. 87.450. Oh no, Fahid didn't make it again. No. Fahid, if you are a Cornerville Chad, you still got 23 seconds to sign up for the tier 3 membership and get your extra minute. Greg coming in late as well. 87.450 goes above Jay Shear. Tyler. Tyler 87.5. That goes above Tom Sox Go. Copy. Hoffs 87.399.99. Copy. That goes above Jay Shear. Black Hat 87.470. Copy. That goes above Tom Sox Goat. And John Appleseed 87.529. That goes above Tyler. Copy. Cool. Okay. Let me verify that these are in order because JJ number good. Jay Shear 87.370. Hoffs 87.399. 87.450, 87.470, 87.5, 87.529. Cool. They are all in order from least to greatest. Bitcoin is currently trading at 87.465 even. Oops, I moved that number. Or that line. All right, let's see. 87.456. If it closed right here, Tom Selleck's GOAT would be the winner. He's making a name for himself, one win at a time. Let's see, how many wins does he have so far? Tom Selleck's GOAT at this very moment has 2 wins. Interesting. Black Hat has 1. Nice. It goes to show it does not matter how veteran you are in the channel, you can still win for the year. Whoever wins the most times for the year, it doesn't matter. It does not matter if you win like by guessing every single individual number or if it's just bragging rights. Whoever wins outright the most gets a prize at the end of the year, which we still have to figure out. We'll probably figure it out around the halfway point. It's probably just going to be money or something, but it's for fun. It's for fun, guys. Bitcoin 87,449. We got 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining on the clock. 2 minutes even, starting now. 87,436, which makes Hoff's closest without going over. It's very close. It's going to be between Hoff's and Tom Selleck's GOAT at this moment. Janik said if I was here 2 minutes ago, I would somewhere between Hoff's and Jay Shear. Tyler said he can't win twice at a time. What are you talking about? Greg said, ahoy, JJ and crew. Been pillaging and stealing beer lately? Oh no, just working on a kitchen demo and remodel. 120-year-old house, tedious and treacherous work. Nice. That's actually really cool. Tyler said, but you were a Janik, so suck it. We got 1 minute, 14 seconds remaining on the clock. Bitcoin currently trading at 87,433 and 50 cents, which still puts Hoff's in the lead at the moment. He's got a pretty keen eye, pretty keen nose on him. Today I saw a pepper. I thought of Chili's and I thought of Hoff's. And then when I got in the van to leave work, Tom Petty was on the radio and I puked a little bit in my mouth and I thought of Hoff's again. 45 seconds remaining on the clock. Is this the candle? This is the candle that will determine the fate of our winner. What if I said I'm late? Good luck all. Unfortunately, Waterfly and the Heat are on the same schedule. 34 seconds remaining on the clock. 87,416 and 81 cents on Bitcoin at this moment. As long as it stays above 87,399.99, Hoff's is going to be our winner. 24 seconds remaining. Interesting. Are we going to get a big fat spike up or down? Anything can happen. 14 seconds left on the clock. 10 seconds left on the clock. It is currently below Hoff's. Oh no. Is it going to be Jay Shear? It's very close. 3, 2, 1. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin daily close 87,392 and 87 cents, making the winner Jay Shear. Damn. That was so close. Congratulations, Jay Shear, on your victory and a big fat spike afterwards. What a troll. That's crazy. The actual daily close price for Bitcoin was 87,392 and 87 cents. Congratulations, Jay Shear, on your victory. Closest without going over. You won. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat before I give him his prize. Spam the damn bananas right now. Spam the bananas. You won. Drum roll, please. You won a brand new cucumber. Literally in Tyler's hand because I couldn't Photoshop around it. Otherwise, I would have made fake parts of the cucumber. A fully authentic, real, wrapped for your safety, cuke, a extra large cucumber for your enjoyment. Congratulations, Jay Shear. Enjoy your cucumber and enjoy your victory. Absolutely killed it today. Killed it. Full on attempted assassination on Hoff's character and his victory streak, of which you were successful. Congratulations. Enjoy your cuke. Your cuke. Let me put you on the winner's sheet. And let me March 26th. Let me do the search and see how many Jay Shear has, because I know it's quite a bit. Jay Shear has 3 at the moment. 3 victories, officially putting him on the board. If you guys want to be able to see who's in the lead and who's not, feel free to donate. Because then I can set up a website and show all this fun crap on the website. I think it'll be fun. And Hoffs, also make sure you, I don't know, harass is the right word? Harass Hoffs. He said he was going to send me something. Something to do with like sports, bracket tracking or some crap. Leaderboard to monitor all of the current rankings for the daily close contest. Because there's still 9 months to go. So it's gonna be a big deal. It's gonna be a big deal. I'm seeing a lot of bananas, a lot of pickles, a lot of bread. Banana bread is pretty good. I do thoroughly enjoy banana bread. Let me check the chat. Tyler said that thing was massive. I keep clicking on crap. There we go. Jay Shear said everyone is a winner in my book. Maybe it was the friends we made along the way. Tyler said, and I got big hands. LMAO. Hoff pin link is going to be face melting. Mr. Alex Becker thoroughly enjoys pin link in the morning with a little bit of ice. So I've heard. Bitcoin currently trading at $87,326.01. Greg sent his guess again for some reason. Post daily close. Tyler said, they are cucumbers, JJ. Wow. Which I guess are pickles too. That's true. That's true. Are those cucumbers? How do I see? Ew, it says cucumber. Is there a pickle? Is there a pickle one? Is there different? There's no pickle emoji? What the hell? That's discrimination, bro. Why would they have a cucumber but no pickle? Do they have eggs? They do. They don't have any pickled eggs, though. They have an egg and a fried egg, but they have no pickled eggs. They can have a regular cucumber, but no pickled. I don't know. That's weird to me. That's sus. I feel underrepresented. Let's go check. I got a couple of things on X to take a look at. Some exciting stuff. We got Mr. Charles Hoskinson, which is part of the SEC Crypto Task Force. Allegedly. I don't know. I didn't actually bother reading this, but take a look at it if you're interested. Cointelegraph posted GameStop's board has unanimously approved an update to its investment policy to include Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. Very exciting stuff. Binance has confirmed staff misconduct involving front-running trades using insider information from a previous role. The employee has been suspended, legal action is underway, and a 100K whistleblower rewards has been distributed. Damn! They paid the rat? That's actually kind of messed up. Cointelegraph also said the Senate is expected to hold a final vote Thursday to nullify the IRS DeFi broker rule, potentially sending the resolution to President Trump's desk by Friday. Interesting. DeFi broker rule, they're kind of like trying to put rules on like stuff that they can't control. Kind of like when a state tells people what they can and can't do in the bedroom. It's kind of like one of those situations. You can't regulate decentralized finance. That's literally by definition impossible. So it's just silly. Cointelegraph said breaking the SEC and Ripple have agreed to drop their remaining appeals, and with Ripple recovering $75 million from escrow and the SEC keeping $50 million, making a likely final resolution to the long-running case. The SEC is trash and Ripple is meh. That's exciting stuff, though. Unusual Whale said in response to the Trump administration's upcoming reciprocal tariff policy, the Indian government is reportedly willing to reduce tariffs on 55% of U.S. imports worth $23 billion down to as little as 0 from a current range of 5 to 30% per whatever the hell FT is, per fat titties. That's exciting stuff. This is exactly what I was saying from the very beginning, that this whole tariff situation is an art of the deal negotiation tactic. So, I'm not going to say that I was right, but I was right. Just have fun said, okay, what'd I miss? Mr. J Shear 2.0 won the daily close contest and was presented with a very large cuke provided graciously by Tyler, one of our very own.
Next, we got Tesla. Finished the day up 3%. It's up 24% in the last 5 days. Not financial advice, guys, but when something dips that hard for some stupid reason like political influence, might be a good reason to buy the dip. Not financial advice, though. We got Michael Saylor sending a message to GameStop CEO after the company announced it will buy Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. Michael Saylor tweeted, "Welcome to Team Bitcoin." Very cute. Totally adorable. Look at these two guys. They're so adorable, aren't they? Watcher Guru said President Trump signs executive order enabling the U.S. Treasury to modernize its payment system to reduce fraud, waste, and abuse. I've always wondered why this was so outdated. The fact that fraud can be committed on like a government level is just silly to me. And filing taxes and stuff, why isn't that automated? Why do we have IRS agents and IRS? If it was all automated, it's all government information. Shouldn't it be connected? They shouldn't have to have you tell them what they allegedly already know. They should just be able to tell you, hey, you get a refund. Hey, you owe us money. It's not that hard. It's just crazy to me. This next one, President Trump, Royal Liberty Finance launches dollar-pegged stablecoin USD1. Very interesting. That one was kind of crazy. This one, President Trump says he may give a lot of countries breaks on tariffs. This was from yesterday. So this one, I think, is part of the main reason why we're just getting very pumpy pretty quick here. And then this last one, we got U.S. government announces it will prosecute fraud uncovered by Elon Musk's Doge. So that's exciting. I like it when justice is brought forward to those that deserve it. So, very, very fun stuff. Congratulations, Jay Shear, once again on your victory. You deserve it. Enjoy your gigantic cucumber. Let's see if there's anything going on interesting in the market. Avalanche is still green. Shrap has yet to make a trade since the daily close. And Cass is also green. Very little, but I guess being a little bit green is better than being a little bit red. Because in the market, unless you're shorting, nobody actually likes red. Okay, what do we got? Let's go do a quick update on our portfolios. We got our narrative portfolio, which started with $500. We got real-world assets, decentralized physical infrastructure, gaming, meme coins, and AI. This is literally our first time since the dip being in profit. We are up $1.55. Very cool. I will say, out of everything, this portfolio has held up the best. We did invest at a really good time, though. Our 1K to 10K Grok portfolio, 60% of these coins were recommended by Grok. The other 40% was voted on by the community. I don't know which is which, so don't ask. Currently chilling at $905. It is only down $94.49 at the moment, which is great. Looking good. This thing was down pretty significantly at one point, but it's looking great right now. It's being held up at the moment by Render, Near, Aptos, Cardano, and Ondo, followed by Shib, Sol, Propi, Doge, and AGIX. I don't know if AGIX is going to make a comeback. I thought that this was pegged to something else. I think that this was one of the weird recommendations by Grok. We might have to replace that when it gets back to 100. So we'll see. And then our final one, we got our Memecoin portfolio post Libra. This was also a $1,000 investment. It is currently down $84.37. So not that bad, not that great. Yeah, it's just chilling. We got Pepe with SNEK, Doge, and Giga. We will see if this recovers along with the rest of the market, but we're not looking that bad, honestly. The narrative portfolio so far, oddly enough, it's kind of boring, but I think it's slowly becoming my favorite. I'm genuinely curious to see if the 1K to 10K Grok portfolio actually turns into 10K, because I think this will be really cool. I have not seen anyone fully document a proper 1K to 10K challenge yet. And, I haven't gone seeking it out. I've seen people start them and abandon them, and that's about it. I've seen people starting them recently, which is really cool, but I don't know. Hoff said, I'm shorting Obvious M. Really? That's very interesting. So yeah, we're chilling. Not a whole lot going on. Let's go take a look at fear and greed. I like to start with the one on coin market cap first because not a lot of people like to use it. So it's very interesting to see. It's at 34 at the moment. It is recovering slowly, which is great. And then the altcoin season index. This is at 18 right now. We got top 100 altcoin performance or top 100 coin performance over 90 days. Monero's been doing really well, up 16%, killing it. Trump is up 78%. Ohm is up 80%. Nice. What else do we got? XRP is up 6.65%. Cake is doing good. A lot of exchange coins here. We got KuCoin, Cake, and OKB. What else do we got? Anything else? GT, that might be an exchange token. I'm not positive though. Don't quote me on that. Shana Max said, "Give me that effing Zook." Yeah, guys, feel free to submit your phallic foods, please. I need more. Let's see. We got BNB is down 10%. XDC is down 10%. The ones that are probably, I would say, 40% and less is pretty significant, considering everything that we just went through. Filecoin, probably something to look at. Hype, unfortunately, Ton, Shib, BitTorrent, Polkadot, Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision, Aptos, HBAR, Jupiter, IOTA, Chainlink, Caspa, Quaint, Crow, ETH Classic, EOS, Mint, whatever Mint is, MNT, probably Mantra or something, Atom, TIA, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, JTO, whatever S, that's kind of funny. It's just one letter. That's pretty clever, actually. Stellar, SPX 6900, Maker, ADA, Nexo, BGB, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Tron, XDC, and BNB. All ones to keep an eye on for sure. Outside of that, man, Sui got shafted so hard. Render, Vet, AXA, or AXS, Algo, Near, Doge, Ondo. See, even in here, these are all good projects. Tezos, when something's down this much, I mean, I might buy some WIF if it's down 72%. That's crazy. Like these top 5, 10 that are down here might be worth getting just to get them because they're down so much. Not financial advice. It might be a really simple, stupid way to make a crap ton of money really fast, though. I love Farcoin so much. The fact that this exists just makes me happy. Let's go take a look at Dex Screener really quick. Before I do that, though, let me go to the proper fear and greed. Shield your eyes. There is no dark mode on this website. 47. We are in neutral territory officially. We just flipped. Yesterday we had 46. So we're going up one at a time. Just the other day, on the 23rd, we were at 30. The lowest we've gotten in the last month. Nope, that doesn't work. Am I looking at a month right now? In the last 3 months, I guess. Was February 27th. We got down to 10. Interesting. It's very interesting to see this bottom out and then trend up. Bottom out and then trend up. Would you guys... I'm going to do a poll. I'm going to do a poll in the chat. Would you guys pay $500 a ticket to see Fleetwood Mac? Genuine question. Offset, I sold them memes that I thought was the bottom, and then they went down 50% more. That too, man. You got to take the risk. Risk it for the biscuit. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just stupid, especially when it comes to meme coins. I suck ass at meme coins. Oh, Saratoga spring water. I thought it was sparkling water. Somebody effed up. Okay, we got to check on fat, of course. Currently up 11.9%. Ooh, damn, I could have sold break even. Shit. All right, I'm going to sit on it. I think this is a $1 billion market cap potential. I do actually, genuinely, when you see a coin launch from this, the fact that it doesn't rug right away is just nothing like short of a miracle to me. This thing could literally, it could go down here without me feeling bearish on it. Because normally, once you get like $1 million market cap, it rugs, man. People take the money and run. Because there's always somebody sitting somewhere with some allocation secretly that nobody knows about, or they just have like 100 wallets with like 10K worth of it in it, and you know, it's hard to turn down $1 million, you know. I'm just saying. Maybe they made their million right here though. Who knows? Just the marketing on this thing though is freaking funny. The videos and stuff on X. I don't know, man. Let's do a follow up actually. Let's go look at all the not Discord. Let's go look at all the animal coins. I want to look at. Let's just go to the watch list. I think they're on there. We got Moo Dang, Butthole, big disappointment. What else? Pesto. I want to look at Peanut. Where the heck is Peanut? Do I have Peanut on here? We have this HBAR meme coin. That's kind of interesting. Kirby, Baby Elephant. Cheeseball, hilarious. Popo. Popo, the ultimate betrayal right there. That thing freaking ruined my life. Peanut. Peanut is the other one. Peanut. We got 0 votes on our poll. What the hell's wrong with you guys? It's a yes or no question. All right. Peanut. Honestly, he bottomed really nicely at 14. Like, I had a line there. Since before January? I hate to be Mr. Anderson, but this looks like a double bottom. I'm just kidding. I love you, Mr. Anderson. Don't hate me. It looks like a double bottom with a double bottom in the double bottom. Look at this double bottom and then a double bottom. Whoa. Imagine having 2 butt cheeks inside of your butt cheek. Moo Dang. Moo Dang is Moo Done. Wop wop. Unfortunately, let's see if they do anything on Twitter. I liked it when they updated the picture. That was actually really good for the price too. Mr. Robert said, I got lost in the drums there, LOL. Didn't go the closing guess. Who won? J Shear 2.0 won. I gotta make sure I put 2.0 in there. J Shear 2.0 won. Making it 3 wins for J Shear, and he won a lovely cuke provided by our very own Mr. Tyler Yetzer. And it is in his hand because for whatever reason he took a picture of it in his hand. So yeah. Feel free to send your own phallic foods for the daily close prize. It will be included as long as there's not an actual penis. Moo Dang, let's see if they're active on X. They're retweeting stuff and stuff. That's cool. Fun stuff. Moo Dang's still pretty damn adorable, I will say. Oh, dude. I gotta share this for my dong boys. Pesto. Wow, dude, Pesto got wrecked. Holy crap. Double top hard as F too. Look at that. Damn. 2 opportunities to rug the community. That is pretty impressive though, to see that liquidity play out once just like that and then twice just like that. I'm surprised that this one was larger than this one considering the fact that it came after a smaller spike. That's very interesting, is it not? Interesting indeed. Space Ape. This is a viewer's token on HBAR. And I don't know, when the whole Memecoin Supercycle idea was being tossed around, we were looking at ecosystem plays, and I'm not gonna lie, being a Cardano Maxian, being deep in the Cardano lore and the Cardano ecosystem, and playing on the Cardano meme coins, there's some trades to be had here, man. Especially on coins with like, even if there's low liquidity, if you play the right community and you get in and you know the people and you figure out what's going on, you could make some pretty decent money doing this stuff. Like this looks like a bullish harmonic to me. or maybe bearish. I don't know. But, I mean, if it's available for leverage, who knows? Or maybe HBAR's ecosystem is going to do really good and you're believing it. This is a 3.86% candle. This is a 11% candle. There's a lot of money to be made here, man. You buy this dip. Let's say you bought this dip and that was your spike right there. You're up 40% right there. That's a lot of money. But there's a lot of risk in it, too, as well. You got to weigh the risk reward. Kirby got wrecked even worse than everything else. This thing went straight to zero, like multiple times. Damn. They didn't even have a chance to recover. It exploded, and then it went to zero. And then it exploded a little bit more, and then it went to zero. Like, instantaneous rugging. You gotta admit, that's kind of impressive. But yeah, I don't know. Interesting stuff, for sure. Peanut, though. Maybe some opportunity there. Not financial advice, of course. If you would have bought this 14, though, had some patience, you'd be up 50%. That's a lot better than a lot of people's positions at the moment. Just saying. But again, the risk reward, you got to weigh it and figure out what you're comfortable with. Looks like the market's potentially turning around. We got a little bounce coming off of our green trend line right here, which is not a trend line. That's actually a liquidation point, which is interesting considering that it didn't hit. Even though Hoff said it was an M. Oh, it's kind of weird. Ain't it? Maybe Hoffs needs a little bit of Tyler's juke in his mouth. Mr. Roberts said, can you do Arcare USD on TradingView? I'm so down on that bastard. Yes, I absolutely can. Mr. Roberts, do you mind me asking, what do you buy and sell your crypto on? Dude, are you kidding me? Are you actually asking me to look at this? I swear to God, you guys do this shit on purpose. Look at this. That's beautiful. Not financial advice, but damn. This thing broke out of the neckline. It's currently retesting. If it holds, you got some potential upside right there. Maybe not that much. If I'm being frugal with my target, I would look for a minimum of 90. It might have already played out, though. It might have already played out when it hit 83. Not financial advice. It looks good, though. That's an inverse head and shoulders if I've ever seen one. You do have a confirmed red dot on Market Cipher, which might not be that great, honestly. You did have a descending something right there. Yeah, you had a descending channel. Inverse head and shoulder was right here as well. Did not play out. Failed to break out right here. Failed again. And then it broke down. Failed that. And then it continued to the downside. Currently, at the moment, resistance-wise, you're looking at right where you're at. You're looking again at probably 81. And then again at 10. And then again at 15. Always look at the psychological as well. Dirty Seaman said, sent a message to Trump, keep the 5K stimulus, send me 10K crypto. Best way to get America into crypto. Hell yeah. I like it. Welcome to the channel, Dirty Seaman. Feel free to subscribe if you have not already. Appreciate you for being here. Smash the like button and share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends or your friends and family. Get them into crypto. Send them here. We'll set them straight. But yeah, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders to me. Which again, it's not always foolproof trade. This actually looks like a textbook inverse head and shoulders to me. Mr. Roberts said, I use BitGet for the LOL meme coins, other brokers for serious stuff. Okay, I don't hate it. Just make sure when you're doing the broker stuff, and I know you probably do that for them to have more liability and for safety and stuff like that, make sure you look at the spread and make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Don't get shafted. Because I went through brokers when I first got started, and then I figured out what a spread was, and I looked at it, and man, I was getting screwed so hard. It was ridiculous. We're getting a lot of votes on our poll out of nowhere. We got 4 people. 3 of them said no. Now, you wouldn't pay $500 to see Fleetwood Mac for real? Am I crazy? My mom said Fleetwood Mac was meh. I disowned her today. I was like, wow. Are you sick? I'm actually going to use that to put her into an old folks home. That's crazy. It blew my mind. Shana Max said, my kids all have a Tangam wallet. What the hell is that? I like the people put their seed phrase on metal, which is really clever. They like actually carve it or whatever it's called, stamp it into the metal. So if like your house burns down or something, you still have your seed phrase. I think that's really smart stuff. But yeah, I definitely, from an investment standpoint, crypto's a no-brainer to me, long term. Even stocks, you gotta diversify. Don't just be 100% into one thing. I'm a big diversity proponent, salesman. I don't know. Tangum cold crypto storage. Okay, that's cool. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, I don't know. I had a BlockFi account. I was all ready to start building up like a actual like savings account for crypto to like retire with, and that was BlockFi's whole shtick. And then they went under with FTX and Celsius. That was Celsius's whole thing too. And Alex Mashinsky just preached so hard, not your keys, not your coins. And then he goes and literally rugs his entire like customer base, which is crazy to me. It's always the loud ones, man. It's always the loud ones. It just blows my mind. Look at Render's already up 1.2%, looking good. It's about $4 right now. Potential bounce. I feel like I'm starting to sound like freaking Crypto Lifer, and I don't even watch Lifer. Mr. Robert said, if anyone here hasn't subbed yet, just hit it. JJ good. Commenters good. LOL. Good gang all here. Yeah, it's a fun time. It's a fun time. It's pretty chill. I was looking at other people, and I'm like, who the hell even is this guy? I've never even heard of him. And I looked, and he got started like 6 years ago. He's got like 60,000 subs. I was like, damn. So I guess I'm looking forward to the 6 year mark when I hit double digits. It's gonna be crazy. Let's go look at Jelly for Fahid. Jelly getting a little more downside. Currently chilling at 13. Is it gonna find support? If it does, this is probably your best bet before more downside. You got right here. You do have Confluence. Fahid. Previous support all right here. Resistance right here and right here. That's your most Confluence before your next point, which is going to be probably right here-ish. So then you got support all right here. Support and resistance right here. So if it doesn't rebound off of 13, just keep an eye on it. That's not to say sell the second it breaks. I've had it a million times where I'm like meticulously, I'm ready, man. I'm really mad and I'm watching, and then it goes boop and it closes, and then I'm like, F this, and I sell so hard, and then it goes bam, and then I'm just watching the whole time, pissed, fuming, watching it, and I'm like, this is gonna go to zero. It's gonna go to zero so hard, and it never does. Never does. So just keep an eye on it. You got some wicks to the downside, which is great. It is a meme coin. These are, decent sized candles, especially for a meme coin. It's got 1.7 million liquidity, 13 million market cap. So liquidity market cap ratio is pretty good. I think it's about 10%, a little over 10%, which is great considering a meme coin. Just keep an eye on it, man. People are taking profits. You're almost oversold in the RSI. What is the, you could even pull a fib. Let's pull a fib. Oh shit. I always do that. Fuckers. Yeah, you're right at the 786. Look at that. And if you don't go off of the wick, if you go off of the candle body, then you got a little more ways to go. Potentially sitting at 10. So, not financial advice. That's a psychological level as well. So 10 is gonna be your next big zone. 0. Or 1. I'm sorry. Is it 1? Is that even the right thing? Yeah, let's go to our, yep, right there. All right, I'm just going to put it right there. It is 107. Okay, so I'm sorry. That's a big difference, I suppose, in a meme coins world. So 0.0107 is your psychological, or not even psychological, that's your next support level based on the fib specifically. So because it's a fib, I'm going to make it a different color. Let's make it like a purple. Yeah. There you go. All right. Cool. Let's go back to the coins. Bitcoin is currently trading at 87,559 and 27 cents. I forgot to open a trade. Shit. Damn it. Missed opportunity. Do I wait now? I feel like I should wait. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I'm probably gonna call it. Probably gonna call it evening. Tuesdays are usually pretty chill. As always, if Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, smashing the like button, and happy Tuesday. Good night.